Spend a day with your favorite vending machine girly. You guys, I have not done a vending machine vlog in a minute. So those of you guys that have been asking, here y'all go. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rika. I'm a pink lover. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I help people start businesses. I help people grow businesses, from the cosmetics to the vending machines, investment properties, content creation, affiliate marketing. I do it all. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss when I go live. And if you're not new, welcome back. Everybody, don't forget to hit the like button. Hopefully you guys can see me, y'all, because it's so sunny outside, like it was not snowing the day before yesterday. But today I'm actually linking up with another vending machine owner. He actually has snack vending machines. This is not our first time linking. We actually linked, I want to say, like 2 weeks ago, and he's actually currently doing a vending machine tour where he links with other vending machine owners. This time I'm coming to one of his locations so I could kind of, learn about the snack vending machine business and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and watch it all the way through. I'm about to text him because our meetup was 2 o'clock. It's 2:06, but I told him I was going to be recording content anyway because I had to get this intro. Y'all, I still cannot believe that I've been in this vending machine business for like 4 years. For those of you guys that don't know, I actually purchased my first vending machine back in 2021. So that was when I purchased my machine, and y'all, it was a bad move, okay? It was a bad move. Honestly, if I would have done my research, I definitely would not have gotten into vending machines, at least at that point in my life, because there's so much that comes with a vending machine that people do not understand, from the expenses to what you have to deal with. Like, it's not as easy as it seems. There's a lot of expenses that comes with it. But I purchased my first machine back in 2021. No knowledge, no experience. I had the money to do it, and I bought it, and I tried to educate people and tell people, just because you have the money to do stuff doesn't mean you do it. You got one half of the population that we got the money to spend on whatever. Like, we're just all about taking risks. We're all about business moves. And then you got the other half that you don't have the money, but you still want to do stuff. So either way it goes, it's very important to do your research. Either invest your time and invest your money. If you're not going to take the time to watch videos or do your free research and spend weeks and months doing research, if you see somebody doing what you want to do, invest your money and get your answers faster. Okay, so after I purchased my machine in 2021, y'all, gave up. People think it's so easy, to find locations. I started contacting malls. I literally got discouraged, did not get a single location, and I honestly forgot about it for almost 2 years. It wasn't until about 2 years later when I finally put that in a location. Even though I had my vending machine since 2021, I did not actually start my journey until 2023. And this January that just passed officially marks 2 years since I've secured my first location. But once I figured out a method, y'all, I keep looking around because I'm waiting outside of a church and it's people walking by. So if I'm looking around, it's because it's people passing by. But it took me 2 years to finally find a location. And even though it took me that long and I made no money for 2 years on my investment, I still was able to secure 10 locations within a year and a half. So it's very possible to secure multiple locations. I am the proof of it. So y'all, we are here. He owns all 3.
We're going to 2 locations today.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, we're going to 2.
Okay. So we're going to 2 locations. This is the first one. Drinks, gumball, M&Ms, and Skittles, and then snacks.
Yeah. Gumball vending machine, snack vending machine, and drink vending machine. If you could guess, how much do you think that vending machine costs?
$1,200.
Good job, good. No, I'm just kidding. How much do you think that vending machine costs right here? This gumball.
Like $500.
And the drink vending machine, how much do you think it costs?
Like $1,500.
Oh my goodness. So this vending machine right here, it's a USI machine. It cost me $2,000. That vending machine you see right there, $160. And that vending machine that you see, the drink machine, it costs $3,000.
Oh wow, my prices was way off.
Yeah, so in total, so $5,000 something dollars. Okay, let's open the machine. How does it smell?
Good.
You smell it?
I feel like I smell the donuts.
Smell the donuts? Okay. Okay, so snack vending machine. There's storage on the bottom.
Yeah, that's cool that you
put like storage and stuff on the bottom and stuff. A couple months ago, I had like a rat problem. rat got into my machine. It was eating up all my snacks. It was a while ago, so I had to clean out the vending machine with a bunch of stuff just to get it.
A rat in the machine?
A rat in the machine, yeah. So, okay, so I'm gonna let you fill it. So, okay.
I'm filling up the machine.
And here.
So this goes over here.
No, that goes over there. But that's 6. So like, yeah, count like 3 up.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that should be it. I might miss one up. Oh my goodness.
I could definitely say this a lot more work than filling up some press-ons and lashes.
Nah, because you're doing it the first time. I'll go through
Okay, but you got different varieties of stuff.
That's
like
true,
with my machines, I just be putting stuff and that's it. Like,
so
you making sure it's organized.
Yeah.
So bring those up.
We're gonna bring these up.
Telling me how he got kicked out.
Yeah, I got kicked out. You know what happened? The people literally, where's the sun at?
Move this way.
No, because I want to sun kiss. So literally, they was breaking our vending machine. They literally like cracked the door and then they were just demanding so much from us. So I ended up leaving. We ended up leaving the location. I had a business partner at the time, so we ended up leaving that at okay, is that it? Ooh, we have one more row. We're not gonna do the drink machine.
Okay.
But I'm supposed to collect, so we're going to put. What is there?
His machine does give back change. Mine doesn't. So this is the. What is this called? Coin bank.
It's called a coin mech.
Coin mech.
A coin mechanism, yeah.
Coin mech.
Yes.
So you gotta fill it up. So what happens if someone was to buy a snack and it would just not give them nothing?
No, it would just say use exact change. So you have to use exactly what it says on the machine.
Well, at least it says that. I thought they would just stand there looking dumb like.
No.
Okay, y'all. So how are we gonna fill it up? You got the change? Okay, y'all. So I'm about to fill up the coin mech. That's what it's called, right?
It's called a coin mech. Yeah, we're gonna move all this stuff out the way.
And make sure y'all hit the like button. If you watched the video all the way to this point, make sure you're subscribed and you hit the like button.
Okay, so recap. Yeah, go ahead. So the coin mech, you just see that it has like all these different things. So 5 cents, 25 cents, 10 cents, 25, and dollar points. So you're just gonna put the things where it's supposed to be. So this is, be careful.
Quarters?
These are quarters, yes. So you gotta put it in the quarter thing. Okay, you learn quick.
Now we're going to do the gumball machine. So I'm gonna flip the camera so I can show you guys what it looks like.
I have to fill up the gumball vending machine.
So we got a key. So y'all, we got the machine open. This is the Skittles. Smells so good.
Smells so good, right? Yeah.
There's a lot of change in here. I've never had to deal with change. Only dollar bills.
Yeah, so but usually like either like I like change it to like the coin mech or like I take it home for like some change. So we're gonna take the change. Where's the bag?
So now we have opened the drink machine. So you gonna give us a tour or?
You have your bill acceptor. This is what takes the dollar bills. You have your coin mech down there. This is what gives back the change. Now this is also empty.
You got the other one to put
Yeah,
in
we're
there?
gonna have the other one to put in there, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah. Remember, if the coin mech is not full, then it won't give back change. So the thing I like about this machine right here is that like it's super simple to fill up. So like you literally.
So you don't have to worry about the slots and none of that. You just push everything in.
So smart.
I just gave him a
and if
whole
they don't
idea,
and if they don't sell, then it's like that's on you.
That's on them. Versus you know, investing and spending all this money, expirations and all of that, that's more for them. And I mean, either way, it's still advertisement at the end of the day.
Interesting.
That's
a smart idea.
Yep.
That is a smart idea. Okay, so what do you think about my product selection?
I like it. You got sodas, you got tea.
You say you never had a CNC?
No.
You never had one of these CNCs?
Unless I had them when I was younger. I like Arizona's.
Wait, you want to try one? Which one? You never had one of these CNCs. Which one's your favorite one? You can have it. You take a sip. Try it on camera.
Fruit punch or watermelon? I don't know which one tastes better.
I like pineapple, but like not everyone's like a pineapple person.
I do like pineapple, but I feel like
Fruit
a
punch?
watermelon or fruit punch would taste better.
Okay, which one? Watermelon or fruit punch?
I don't know.
You have to make a decision. Watermelon or fruit punch?
Y'all, which one? Watermelon or fruit punch? Comment.
Personally, I like the fruit punch better.
Does it taste like Hawaiian punch?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, I'ma try.
Try it. Make sure that safety cap.
This is good.
It's good?
I'm not lying.
I hate people that just let out. Just kidding. Okay, 1 through 10.
Like an 8. Yeah, I like this. Got the money.
The money. A little cha-ching.
Bam. To the bag.
So I remember I was talking to a creator. He said that people are gonna think he's broke because he gets way more card sales than he gets cash sales.
I feel like that would be too.
Or you get way more card sales
versus cash.
And
so when you go to the machine, it's like, oh, that's all that was in there.
And then people are like, oh, nah, she don't make a lot of money. But little do they know. Also, too, I know in your vending machine, it accepts $10 bills. Mm-hmm. My machine, this is a small camera, this is a nice camera. But my machine, it's 1s and 5s. Usually before I go to my locations, I like prepack. I gotta put everything in crates. I'm gonna have to come in with all these boxes and use their space. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
Okay, y'all, so we about to pre-pack.
So all you have to do is literally, I'm gonna open it for you and you can just dump them in. But like dump them in. Here. So then,
Is this not gonna be heavy to carry?
let me put on the light. You think you can lift it?
No.
You be in the gym, so I don't know.
Okay, you guys, so the rest of this vlog is gonna be recorded on my phone because my camera went dead. I did bring 2 batteries. I should have brought the wall charger, y'all, because I could have easily plugged it in. But it's fine, we're still gonna get this content done. We are at the 2nd location because he does have multiple locations like myself. So as y'all see, the drinks are empty. So the drinks we stocked up, we're about to put it, he's getting everything out of the car. Okay, y'all, so here's everything. No, 3,000, over 3,000.
Yes, it's 3,000. How much do that machine cost?
2,000?
This was 15.
I was about to say 1,500 or 2,000. Okay, y'all got the money. Dang, this one is definitely more full than the other one.
Wait, hold up, before you do it, let me get it. And let me get it on.
Y'all, content creation life. You gotta get it on all devices. Every single device.
So it doesn't count?
Yep. Let me get for my read.
Okay, so guys, this is the collection. Dang. Did we fake any of this?
No.
Alright, go ahead.
You need another bag.
I don't have another bag.
Oh my god, I'm about to break my nails.
Tell me what you want. I think there's a faster way.
Okay, y'all, more cash and coins. And I stocked up these drinks. This is a little heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so second machine. This is a snack machine. Okay, y'all, so stocked up the snacks. Got the cash. Okay, y'all, more cash. Ah. So many different compartments. Meanwhile, all I gotta do is one, and the card stuff go to the bank account. So put this back. And then what about the other one?
What? This one is empty?
Oh no, there's still coins in there. There's a lot of quarters.
Does this one accept dollar coins? That's what you see, like a bunch of dollar coins in here.
Okay.
You starting over?
Start a new one?
Yeah. At the bottom. Start so I think that's $2. So start in like D789. You good? You see that Pepsi?
I tell y'all, I had so much fun today. I definitely learned a lot, you know, about the snack machine business. If you watch this video all the way to this point, so I know that you are a true supporter and you watch my videos all the way through, comment, are you team beauty vending machine or are you team snack machine? Or are you both? Comment either beauty, snack, or both, so I know which team you are. I don't know, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna always be team beauty, but I definitely have fun with the snacks. I feel like if I ever own a snack machine, I'd probably be eating the snacks while I'm stocking it. But I had so much fun. And let me know, do you guys want me to do more vending machine vlogs? I actually need to go. I will be going to my Texas location and I will be going to my Montana location. So do you guys want me to vlog when I go to those locations? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure to run up the views on my recents and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.